Hey, welcome, Cooper's Automotive. 2012 Chevy Sonic. Always forget what engine size. I don't know, 1.8, something like that. Anyway, the overheat complaint from the customer, and we've done one of these before. This car actually, and the fan motor is good on this, but the fan blower assembly has changed its assembly. I'm going to give you a part number. We'll explain this a little bit more. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's a Napa Solutions 855-3657-1. And what goes on right here is a coolant fan motor resistor, and it's went bad. You got your power and ground out on this side. So we power and ground up the fan motor on this original one, and it runs, it's good. Got two grounds coming in here, I believe it was, Guy, and a one power. And we had both our grounds, we have power. It's ground feed controlled for 2 speeds, high and low. So our signals coming in are good. So we have to replace this blower motor assembly. Blower, see, I get it right yet. Coolant motor assembly again. See if I can get you some good pictures of it. I'm gonna move the camera on in. So I'm drinking my vanilla iced coffee. And let's go at it. Let's see here. We're going to take out the 2 bolts, nuts. 2 bolts, yeah. This one and this one first, and get this reservoir just out of our way. So let's just start right there. I'm going to set my screws and bolts right up here. Nuts and bolts, things that I need. Probably could just take this off and lay it out to the side, but I'm just going to remove it out of the way. Make sure we don't have any pressure on it. We don't. I got a drain pan underneath the car. At least I think I do. I will have. There's a clamp on the far side of the radiator over there. But once I pull that out, I'm going to take that clamp off the radiator on that back side and remove the whole hose out of our way. Let me grab a light. Right down here on this side of the radiator. Draining the orange freezing water. All right, let's just place that right up there. That's a hose clamp and a hose right there in the radiator. Drain pan's underneath it, catching most of it. Here's our power plug. Let's get a shot of these things. Yeah, we kind of got a shot there. Okay. So there's the power plug to it, that resistor on this original one right there. There's your 3 wires coming in. So you got one ground actually now I look at it. You got a power and a power. So it's power fed. If I pulled up a wiring diagram I could show it. And change this to a resistor. So that's the plug for that. Now, what do we need to get out of there? On this side over here, the radiator, it looks like a couple 8mm bolts. Little Milwaukee 1/4" ratchet. Let's see if I'm right. Well, a little 8 there. One down on the bottom there. I got this bad light that blinks at me, guy. I'm trying to sneak something down in there to get some power on this thing. Yeah, come across the exhaust side and come back through. And you'll be able to get that one. Grab it with your hands, drop it, and have to look for it for 2 hours. There's trans cooler lines coming across there or on the bottom. I think we can pull and pry it back a little bit. Because it's got to slide that way. Well, let's do this. Let's take the trans cooler line out, just the top one, to access some more room. Got our disconnects for transmission lines over here. Yep. All right, do a little AST set. See if we can get that line out of there. I don't know. Don't know which one it is. And I can't stand this light. Blinking.
Is it standard GM?
Yeah. With the other little tool, I've got a couple. All right, this little one right here. Goes around the line, pushes into the release. Let me get a light that's not blinking at me. It's driving me up the wall. Okay. These can be a pain in the butt. Well, they can be and will be, right? Sometimes what I'll do, instead of releasing them, is get a pick and just take the clip out. Reinstall it when I put it back together. It's easier. So you can take the retainer clip out. I'm going to set it right here on the battery. Okay, top transmission line. That should give us enough room. So sliding it toward the passenger side of the vehicle. right in the bottom, the cooler lines connect to and clip in also. Now, should be able to lean it down, just like that, and pull it out. Really easy job returning this. Turn that for their warranty claim. Then again, at this angle, going down in, get it below your upper radiator hose. There. Let's see if I can show a picture of that, or if we've got a picture of that. Hang on. Sort of, kind of, maybe. All right, let's do it like this. Ready, guys? Moving you in. All right, right there. This slides into there on the sides of the radiator, okay? And then down on this side are just your 2/8 that connect to the front of the radiator. So, let's get back at it. All right, we'll get those little things slid in there and slide it over. Your 8mm on top. Getting that one on the bottom. Alright. This right here. And we'll run those 8s to the radiator. Right. Now, let's put our clip back in. You get your clip around, you just push it in, pull it in and out there so make sure it's locked in. Do not want that coming out of there. Put your cover back over the top of it. It clips into the housing of the radiator there, and then that bottom clip in the bottom right there clips in. Okay. Well, all we've got to do is plug it in, put our reservoir back on, our hose, start it up, and verify everything's functioning. Let's bring this back around here. This coolant hose does pump back into the radiator. Easier to grab these clamps a little higher. Maybe. All right. Back on the top here. Bring our air bleed tube around. 210s on the top of that. So we're going to top off the antifreeze and run it. Kick the fans in, and I'm going to pause the video right here, top it up, run it, and show you a fix of cooling fans running. Be right back. All right, real quick, I get back and pulled this wiring diagram I wanted to show you. Just put it up on the computer. Your fan motor's right here. You got it one ground, you got a gray, and you got a white black. So you got a white and a blue going up to the the low relay, and then you got your gray going to the high relay. So we had power on one of these. When you kick the AC on, you obviously get high, and the fans are running. I don't even know if you can hear this. I'm gonna come back to there. I'm gonna pick the phone up, move us in. There's our coolant motor down there. Anyway, let me get the angle here. Hold on a second. Phone's ringing. Don't worry about the phone. Go right down here. You cannot see this. There it is. Fan's running, and we're fixed. So you got a fix on that 2000, I think I said 12 Chevy Sonic 1.8. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Simple fix. I got through it. You can too. Thank you.